Meanwhile, Alibaba set a record for Singles Day, bringing in just one day $30.8 billion. So that's where we're going to start right now with Keith Fitzgerald, Money Map Press Chief Investment Strategist. Alibaba, the stock is down a lot. It's down today. It's down year to date, down over the last year, a whole bunch. Would you buy the stock here, Keith?
I have no problems recommending Alibaba at these levels. You know, anybody who doubts China or doubts the purchasing power of that nation needs only look at something like Alibaba. $30.8 trillion, 24 hours. That is a monster number and a monster indicator of how much consumer power there is. It's the only company in the world, I think, that gives Amazon a run for its money, Charles.
What about the pressure, though, Keith? The stock is under, down 22% year to date, down 15% year to date, 22% over the last 52 weeks, and down another $2 a day. Why? What's going on that the stock is falling apart like this, despite all the accolades that you just gave it?
Well, a lot of that is the global institutional trading community. It's a liquid stock, so a lot of people own it, and the institutional traders are trying to make heads or tails, and they've been on the wrong side of the equation a lot lately. So to me, this is par for the course. This is people coming to terms with China against the backdrop of a trade war, against the uncertainty. A lot of people really don't know China. They've never been there. They don't understand it. It's an enigma.
It is an enigma, but we also know that President Xi has gone to war with at least some of the video game makers, but it also feels like the fallout has hurt any company that makes their, that does business online there.
Well, it has, but, ask yourself, if that's the case, then why are most of our major financial institutions applying to increase their exposure, to increase their lending, to increase their investment capacity over there? If you look behind the scenes, Wall Street is going to China, not away from it, and if you follow the money, that's where it'll wind up.